How many noble truths are there in Buddhism? A. 3. B. 5. C. 4. D. 8. The correct answer is C. 4. Which of the following is a form of government mentioned in the text? A. Monarchy. B. Republic. C. Dictatorship. D. Parliamentary. The correct answer is D. Parliamentary. Which of the following is a use of wool? A. Creating waterproof materials. B. Producing electrical wire insulation. C. Making fishing nets. D. Manufacturing warm clothing. The correct answer is D. Manufacturing warm clothing. In the context of electrical heating, what happens when a wire offers high resistance? A. It cools down rapidly. B. It converts electrical energy into light. C. It gets heated up quickly. D. It becomes a superconductor. The correct answer is C. It gets heated up quickly. What is a primary application of nuclear reactors? A. Water purification. B. Plastic manufacturing. C. Power generation. D. Oil refining. The correct answer is C. Power generation. Which characteristic of a hydrocarbon chain allows detergents to be easily degraded by bacteria? A. It is a cyclic chain. B. It is a branched chain. C. It contains a carboxylate group. D. It is a straight chain. The correct answer is D. It is a straight chain. Which virus is responsible for causing the common cold? A. Rhinovirus. B. Varicella droplet. C. Rubeola virus. D. Myxovirus. The correct answer is A. Rhinovirus. What is bagasse from jowar used for? A. Sugar production. B. Alcohol industry. C. Food for livestock. D. Paper industry. The correct answer is D. Paper industry. Who promotes activities related to preserving and promoting tradition and culture? A. Private corporations only. B. Individual citizens only. C. International organizations. D. The government. The correct answer is D. The government. Which vitamin deficiency leads to rickets? A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin A. C. Vitamin B. D. Vitamin D. The correct answer is D. Vitamin D. The shoulder girdle is a component of which skeletal division? A. Appendicular skeleton. B. Vertebral column. C. Axial skeleton. D. Ribs and sternum. The correct answer is A. Appendicular skeleton. If a solution makes a bulb glow when connected to a 6V battery, what does this indicate about the solution? A. It contains free ions or electrons. B. It is non-conductive. C. It is a good insulator. D. It is always an acid. The correct answer is A. It contains free ions or electrons. Which of the following topics is listed for a short answer explanation? A. The origin of pressure groups. B. The number of pressure groups in India. C. The electoral system in India. D. The introduction year of nota. The correct answer is C. The electoral system in India. What was Tsar Nicholas II's experience with government? A. Limited and inexperienced. B. Extensive and successful. C. Primarily diplomatic experience. D. Mainly military experience. The correct answer is A. Limited and inexperienced. What is the electronic configuration of argon? A. 228. B. 28 188. C. 2. D. 288. The correct answer is D. 288. How many types of coal are classified based on carbon content? A. 4. B. 5. C. 3. D. 2. The correct answer is A. 4. What is the approximate mass of the magnet described in relation to the Sun's mass? A. Equal to that of the Sun. B. 10 times that of the Sun. C. Half that of the Sun. D. To 2-3 times that of the Sun. The correct answer is D. To 2-3 times that of the Sun. What was banned for the sepoys, in addition to the use of earrings? A. Speaking their native language. B. Carrying weapons. C. Marking on the forehead. D. Wearing turbans. The correct answer is C. Marking on the forehead. What is the side of a mountain facing the vine called? A. Leeward side. B. Rain shadow side. C. Lee side. D. Windward side. The correct answer is D. Windward side. Which of the following is an example of a weak acid mentioned in the text? A. HCl. B. High. C. CH3Cu. D. HBr. The correct answer is C. CH3Cu. What does the term cyanobacteria refer to in the context of nitrogen fixation? A. A type of fungus. B. A type of blue-green algae. C. A type of virus. D. A type of protozoa. The correct answer is B. A type of blue-green algae. Which island is mentioned alongside Hiroshima and Nagasaki? A. Pearl Harbor. B. Hawaii Island. C. Midway Island. D. Okinawa Island. The correct answer is B. Hawaii Island. What is the primary function of sweat production in the human body? A. To bring body temperature down. B. To increase blood glucose. C. To secrete hormones. D. To raise body temperature. The correct answer is A. To bring body temperature down. What happens to the increasing of mass when the chemical reaction stops due to oxygen exhaustion? A. It increases rapidly. B. It decreases. C. It continues at a constant rate. D. It is interrupted. The correct answer is D. It is interrupted. What is the minimum age against child labor exploitation? A. 14 years. B. 12 years. C. 16 years. D. 18 years. The correct answer is A. 14 years. If a patient has blood group O, which other blood groups are generally incompatible for transfusion? A. Only AB group. B. A, B, and AB groups. C. Only A group. D. Only B group. The correct answer is B. A, B, and AB groups. What classification method is used for volcanoes based on the periodicity of their eruptions? A. Height classification. B. Periodicity of eruptions. C. Magnitude classification. D. Geographical location. The correct answer is B. Periodicity of eruptions. What was the purpose of increasing the number of elected members in the Legislative Council? A. To establish contacts on an all-India scale. B. To extend trial by jury. C. To separate judicial and executive functions. D. To reduce military expenditure. The correct answer is A. To establish contacts on an all-India scale. Which brands became the most popular automobiles in Germany and the world? A. Porsche and Mercedes-Benz. B. Daimler and Benz. C. BMW and Volkswagen. D. Opel and Audi. The correct answer is B. Daimler and Benz. A convex lens is primarily associated with which action on light rays? A. Absorption. B. Convergence. C. Divergence. D. Reflection. The correct answer is B. Convergence. How did you score?